What's going on, everyone? Tyler here again with Game On Fishing. This week I wanted to get back to the basics and show everyone one of the greatest, easiest, and for myself, most productive rigs for big bass. No matter what depth of water or time of year, and probably one of the most popular rigs of all times, the good old Texas rig.
So first things first, what is a Texas rig? Simple. All it consists of is a worm hook, whether wide gap or straight shank, a bullet weight, whether tungsten or lead, a weight or bobber stop, and whatever soft plastic bait you wish to use. So the first thing you want to do is take that main line, take your stop, and run that line right through the loop on the end of that stop. Now once you've done that, you'll double the line over and slide that stop straight on to your line. What this does will help deliver a more compact tangle-free rig around grass, brush, or any other type of heavy cover where those big girls like to hide. Second step, you'll take your weight and your line and run that line right through the small end of that bullet weight. Next, you'll take that hook, run that line through the eye of that hook, and we're going to tie that improved clinch knot we went over last week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go through the first loop, then the second loop you created, and then pull it tight. Last step is put in that plastic worm on that hook. So what you want to do is take that hook, run it through that worm just a little bit. You'll take it, come right out of that worm, slide it all the way up that shank. Then you'll twist that hook so it ends up being parallel to the bait. And everybody does this a little bit different, but what I like to do is I'll take that hook, run it through the bait, barely come out the other side, and then go back in. Slide that weight down, slide that stop down, and there you have it, the Texas rig.
And there you have it, one of the most widely used rigs for both largemouth and smallmouth bass out there, the Texas rig. Thank you all for tuning in, and don't forget to follow us and subscribe on Instagram and YouTube at Game On Fishing. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next week's episode of Wednesday Weekly Wisdom. And as always, tight lines and game on.